Hello there, this is BioShrog. Welcome back to the BioZone. So this is going to be a new one for me. My computer has been low on memory recently, so I decided to get a new RAM stick to increase my memory. But I've never done any kind of computer work before, so I'm pretty anxious about this one. But I ended up settling on a Samsung 16 gig, and we're going to open it up. And then I'm going to install it after this video, and then I'm going to, if everything goes well, I'm going to, boot my computer back up and check that my memory has gone up, and then I'll discuss it then. So this is part one. I'll be back in a few moments to make part two. This is BioShrog again. I just put the RAM in. I'm hoping I did it right. We're going to open up my settings and find out if I did. And it looks like it worked. Yeah. I doubled my RAM. I had 12 gigs before. Awesome. Yeah, so there you go. I figured it out. I feel good about that. I've never worked on a computer in any way, shape, or form, but this is sweet. I'll be able to play Dune better now. Dune Awakening and Borderlands 4 have both been giving me memory issues, but now that I have now that I upgraded my memory, hopefully that'll solve itself. Thanks for watching. God bless.